Well, hello everyone, and welcome to my shop. Alright, and welcome everyone. Today we're going to complete part 2 of the window install on the driver's side of this 49 GMC. In part 1, where I'm going to link somewhere around, I think here, maybe there. But anyway, in part 1, we took an old window that I pulled out of my 49 Chevy. We broke out the old busted and cracked window that was in the frame, installed a brand new window pane that I got from an aftermarket provider, and now we're ready to install that window assembly now back into the GMC. We got to remove the old one first, then we'll put that new one in. So stay tuned and let's get busy. Look like Phillips. I think somebody's been in here and swapped these out. Yeah. These are Phillips. These aren't, generally these are those bow tie screws. I forgot what you call them, but. Have to drop it down a little. I forgot there's a trick to it. I was wanting not to do this, but I guess I will. These are some of the harder screws to get back in. I don't know why, but they give me a hard time. original. Supposed to be little tiny screws holding that thing in. There's one of them right there. Go through. See if I can get him out. Actually, as tiny as I thought. We're going to put a couple screws back in this bad boy. Hold it up. Yeah, we're going to put a couple screws to hold that dude up. Maybe even rivets. Okay. Well, it's got to go over a lot. I don't think it can go that much. It's a dang deal. There we go. You just got to slide it. There. There. There we go. I was getting a little concerned about that. All right. Before I tighten it, I'm going to test it. And that's where I'm going to tighten it. It's the only one I can get to. There we go. All right. Oh, that looks much, much better. Yes. I may put another screw right there. Probably don't want to see that well, we can speed it up. There. Getting them lined up. Well, all right. Finally got that dude in there. I cut a lot of the seams out because, well, it just took a long time to get a lot of these parts back in and lined up right. And I always have a problem getting this inside door trim back on. I don't know why, getting them holes lined up. But anyway, we got it in and got everything in and adjusted. And glass looks pretty good. Looks good now. You know, when I'm out here in the cold winter with my heater working now and my window up, I'll be able to see, and I'm gonna be able to see all them spider webs and everything. Oh, anyway, that was a long job. Now, you know, you can order these, since I had the frame and everything, I just ordered the glass and the setting tape and decided to do it myself. For, well, depending upon your skill set, for $100 more, you can order the window already installed and a freshly painted frame delivered to your door. So that's kind of, you know, you'll have to decide which way you'd want to go on that route. I'm glad I prefer doing my own stuff when I can, but it was a pain, probably off and on 3 days on this deal. So, you know, it's not, I know I could knock it out better, easier if I were to do another, but I'm not really looking forward to doing another, although the glass and the Chevy. Well, the windshields and the back window need done, but I don't want to do that until I get some body work done. So anyway, well, What else? Well, I kind of touched on a few of the shortcuts, how to put the glass and frame together. There's really not a whole lot to the door that it's pretty self-explanatory. I did put a couple 4 screws in to hold this varnish, I guess you'd call it, with a window track in to hold it in, because from the earlier some of the earlier scenes you may have seen, it just kind of fell out. I mean, it wasn't one screw holding the thing in, and so I put some screws in it. The window's loose in there. I'm going to have to address the regulator's kind of tough, and I got this floppy handle, so I've got stuff inside the door I'm going to have to address, and here upcoming soon, and I'll probably do something to keep that window from rattling around when it's down. I got the same problem with the driver's side too. I believe there's a couple spacers or something that goes inside the door, but I'll have to research that. But anyway, that was kind of what was holding me back. Now I do want to do get the bed done on this thing, but it's not keeping me from getting it running. And of course now, since I'm playing around with the timing and performance on the Chevy, I kind of want to run him some more too. But he's ready to get out here and run. And to tell you the truth, I kind of want to get him out there and run too. So anyway, all right, got my jams I can even listen to. All right, I'm ready to go. So anyway, if you like this kind of stuff, like to see an old fart mess around and work on old trucks and cars and tractors and such, well, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and comment if you haven't. If you got anything to say, I'll try. If it ain't too bad, I'll try to respond. Sometimes YouTube is slow in getting the notification to me, so if you do comment and I don't get back to you pretty soon on a response, it's probably because I haven't been notified yet that it's there. So anyway, but I'll try to answer and address any and all comments, because I like the comments. Good or bad, positive, negative, to a point. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Hope all is well with you and yours. And we'll see you around on the next one. See ya.